Today we will listen to a short English composition called
My Playground. My playground is not very big or modern, but it is one of my favorite places in the neighborhood. I live in Romania, in a small town near a larger city, and there is a playground between the apartment buildings where many children gather every afternoon. The playground has a few swings, a slide, and a climbing frame made of metal bars. The equipment is simple, but we always find creative ways to have fun. There are also a couple of wooden benches where parents or grandparents sit and watch us play. Next to the playground, there is a small open space where we sometimes play football. We use backpacks or water bottles as goalposts, and even though the field is not perfect, our matches are always exciting. In the summer, the playground is full of laughter and noise until the evening. There are a few trees around the area that give us shade on hot days. In autumn, the ground is covered with leaves, and in winter, if it snows, we build snowmen nearby. The playground changes with the seasons, and each time of year feels different. Sometimes we ride our bikes or scooters around the paved paths. Other times, we simply sit and talk about school, games, or our plans for the weekend. It is the place where friendships grow naturally. Even if my playground does not have the newest equipment, I truly love it because it is full of memories and happy moments. In my opinion, a playground is not about how modern it looks, but about the friends you share it with.